everyone, I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. Today's new topic 2021 Economics HS Part 2. Though I have uploaded Part 1 already in YouTube, now you can get some more questions, MCQ questions which can come in your Centup or in HS. Okay, this is a Part 2. Okay, Part 1 I have already uploaded. Number 1 question for you. WTO. What is the full form of WTO? World Trade Organization. Once again, what is the full form of WTO? World Trade Organization. Was established in the year. World Trade Organization was established in the year 1995. Okay, 1995 में established हुआ था. 1995. Number 2 question. What is measured by head count ratio? Head count ratio. The answer will be poverty. Okay, the answer will be poverty. Poverty का वजह से क्या होता है? Head count ratio होता है. Copy the question. The lowest value of standard deviation. Standard deviation is, what is the lowest value of standard deviation? 0. Okay, the answer will be 0. Number 4. The answer of number 4 will be, which economist is not associated which economist is not associated with measurement of poverty. Okay, what's the question? Which economist is not associated with measurement of poverty? The answer will be Malthus. Okay, he is only the economic scientist who is not associated with poverty. Okay, if government expenditure and tax increases by equal amount, the value of income multiplier will be, the answer will be 1. Okay, a condition, number 6 question, a condition of equilibrium. Okay, condition of equilibrium, EQUILIBRIUM. A condition of equilibrium of monopolist is, the answer will be MR equal to MC, marginal revenue equal to marginal cost. 7 number. The sum of average ABERAGE, average propensity to consume and average propensity to save will be, the answer will be 1. Okay. If a firm stop its production, if a firm stop its production in the short run, in the short run, the amount of total cost will be, the amount of total cost will be, the answer will be total fixed cost. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में इसको ऐसे लिखते हैं TFC. ओके, कॉपी द नंबर 8 क्वेश्चन. आई एम प्रोवाइडिंग नंबर. which of the following factor, which of the factor causes the supply of product to shift the right. क्या फैक्टर है जिससे जो प्रोडक्ट का जो सप्लाई होता है वो राइट में शिफ्ट होता है? इसका होगा फॉल इन लेबर वेज रेट. इसका आंसर होगा फॉल इन लेबर वेज rate. Now the last question for you all. Last question. The second order or sufficient condition for maximization of profit of firm in a perfectly competitive market. Perfectly competitive market. The answer will be MC curve is upward rising. MC curve is upward rising. This is the answer of last 10 number. Okay, then what should I tell you, that you just copy all the questions in your notebook or exercise book, whatever you want. You have to copy them. You have to copy all these questions till number 10. Okay, and you just go through. I mean to say that आप क्या करो, लर्न करना स्टार्ट कर दो. ठीक है, पार्ट 1 में जितना 10 MCQ दिया था वो लर्न करना, पार्ट 2 में जो दिया था ये लर्न करना. ठीक है, आप देखो आपका सेंटर पर जो एचएस का जो बोर्ड होता है 2021 में, आपको यही सब क्वेश्चन आपको वहाँ देखने को मिलेगा और आप आसानी से टिक कर सकते हो. दिस ऑल आर MCQs. ओके, आई एम गिविंग यू ऑल another part 3 and part 4 only for MCQ, and then I will provide you fill in the blanks, true and false, short question, very short question, long question. I will provide you each and everything which will come on economics 2021. But what your duty is that you just have to copy from here and you have to learn by heart to get better marks in HS 2021. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.